Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to create AI powered virtual try on looks like hairstyles or makeup. If you want to edit your photo with AI, so you just have to install an application from your Play Store app. Just open Play Store app and go to search bar. Here you just have to search for an application named Face app. Just search for it and then you just have to install this application. Just tap on install and then the application will be installed on your phone. After installation, you just have to open this app, just open it and then tap on continue, accept all, and then tap on next. And then you just have to allow this app to your gallery. Just tap on allow all and then tap on allow notification, and here just select the photo you want to edit. I am going to edit this one, so just select this. Now tap on agree, and here you can edit skin, smiles, size or hairstyle. Here's hairstyle, just choose it and then just choose you want hairstyle. As you can see, I have successfully changed the photo's hairstyle. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.